All right, here we come to the big freight elevator at the Yu Shopping Center in Beijing, China, and trying to talk over the music. And guess what, guys? This elevator is still original. This is awesome. Although this elevator is for staff only, but a huge thanks goes out to the amazing security right next door for allowing me to take a ride on this piece of beauty. This is one of the only few remaining vintage elevators left in the city of Beijing. This is awesome. This elevator still stands as up to this day. And we're gonna watch the door open. Look how big and wide these doors are. Oh yes, this thing, oh my gosh. This thing is still original and it's running like a beauty. This is awesome. One of the few remaining older elevators in Beijing. And this elevator was put in 1987. This is a 2024 revisit. Let's go to 5. It's quite slow for this amount of floors. Button goes out. All right, let's go back down to the bottom floor again, and we're gonna get a detailed view of these fixtures. I think I might want to go for one more ride on this. This is worth filming. Original Asian type Lexan fixtures. I think these are some Asian version of Lexan fixtures, but I don't know for sure though. I'm so glad this elevator is still original. A lot of elevators here in Beijing are all modernized. I think this deserves for one more ride. I never get to see an elevator like this. All right, we'll go for one more ride and we'll end it at 1. Again, I love these fixtures. I'm so glad this elevator is still original. Look at these buttons here. Oh, I really love this elevator. (1987). This is probably one of the oldest elevator that I've ever found here in mainland China. Despite being quite slow, but this is still awesome. All right, we will now go back down to 1 and end there. good view of this cab in 4K mode. One of my favorite elevators in Beijing. I love these fixtures. I'm so glad this is still original. A lot of elevators in Beijing are modded now, unfortunately. All right, here we are at 1, and we'll end the video here. Okay, we're gonna watch it close and I have to talk over that music again. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video of this amazing freight elevator located in this random shopping center. Anyways, there it goes. And before I end, there's the passenger elevator right here, but I'm not gonna film it because for one, it's too busy and it's a lot newer than this one. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching. And the music just somehow ended. So with that being said, thanks for watching and that'll be it.